how have the past few weeks been for you? How are you guys holding up?
For me, it's been pretty hectic actually. It's that I think I've got my husband in my face for 24/7 now. Thankfully, he's a very quiet man. So most of the time, you don't notice that his wife is not a quiet person.
I haven't bothered to shave or trim my beard.
Why should I shave? Why
Yeah,
should I comb my
like
hair?
why?
अब मैं तो सामने बैठी हूँ, मुझे देखना है.
Today joining us is the cast of 100. We have Karan Wahi, Lara, and Rinku Rajguru. I want to begin by asking Lara and Rinku. This is the first time both of you are doing a web series, right? What was the experience like for you? Was it liberating?
I think it was liberating and exhausting. You know, I come from a film background where you're shooting for something that max to max, the duration of it is about 2 hours, 2 hours, 15 minutes, zyada se zyada. Here you're shooting content that's 8 to 10 hours, you know, where the two prime characters through it. So you're pretty much there throughout the entire show, you know, so you've got to make sure that, we were working hours that were extremely long, extremely grueling. We worked on a lot of all the locations that we worked on actually throughout Mumbai were all real locations, you know. So I saw, though I've lived in Mumbai for 25 years, I saw parts of Mumbai I've never seen before in my life, you know, especially areas where most of our cops actually operate. So where all the dangerous stuff actually goes down. So it was a lot of hard work, much harder than what I've done normally as a film actor. You know, you've got to hold the audience's attention as a character for far longer. And therefore, you have to really immerse yourself into the character. You have to make that character really, really so believable. You know, as an actor, it felt amazing and great to be given the opportunity to really act for a change than to just perform. You know.
ठीक है पर मुझे बहुत मजा आया एक्चुअली सबके साथ काम करके और पहली बार वेब सीरीज में काम कर रही थी तो सबके साथ काम करके कुछ ना कुछ सीखने के लिए मिल रहा था क्योंकि ये मतलब कब से काम कर रहे जब मैं पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी शायद और हाँ मजा आया.
If you think about it, to bring two actors like Lara Dutt and Rinku Rajguru together, I mean, when Ruchi came to me with this story and you know, the script of 100 and said we're looking at Rinku for Netra Patil's character, for me itself, as an actor listening to it, forget about any, you know, Hotstar or any other audience looking at it. I was just like, wow, that's quite interesting because it's, you know, it's two actors that belong to different mediums. It's actors who have completely different styles and approach to, you know, the way that they've performed on screen. And we're a generation apart.
Karan, what was it like for you getting into the skin of the character? Are you this guy, I'm guessing not, who dresses this way? What was the journey like for you?
Like I would never dare to, it's in the promo also. We were shooting at VT station in the afternoon. Or VT station ki garmi or, you know, there's so many people on the station. I was wearing like a neon yellow jump track suit with a loudspeaker in my mouth. Earlier on, I was a little scared because it's a very different lingo that I've tried in the show. He's a Haryanvi guy. His actual name is Manohar Daya. He's changed it to Maddie. But within his close-knit people, he remains that same guy from Haryana.
Learn how to rap. Did you get into that?
Yeah, I did. I sat with Raftaar Paji a lot. So some of the rap bits, he's written, helped me. But I had to tell him that Raftaar Paji, gande rap likhne. Achhe nahi likhne.
What do you mean by gande raps?
Matlab jo rap, matlab it's so bad that you'll love it.
It was very important for me to understand the psyche, especially of women cops in the forces. So we actually did, and we met women police officers of a certain level, so ACPs, DCPs, because it is also very important. She's not an inspector, she's not a constable, you know. So it's important to understand also the kind of command that they sort of garner, you know, through their subordinates. I was amazed, like a lot of the women police officers that we met, you know, they're pretty cool, they're pretty badass. But at the same time, you know, they are literally one of the guys. And that's what they said themselves as well. They said there's no room to be a woman in the police force. There is no space to show any kind of weakness or emotion as a woman would show. They need to think like a man. Their body language is literally like their male counterparts.
Right.
So she's not dependent on the fact that I'm a woman. She doesn't play that card. And that's her frustration, that she doesn't want to be considered, that, oh, she's a woman, therefore she needs to be protected, kept away from the hardcore cases, sort of cocooned. She's unapologetically ambitious.
Rinku, what was it like for you? Did you get into, like, what was your research like जब आप role के लिए prep कर रहे थे?
नेत्रा एक तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा था कि वो मराठी लड़की है, इसलिए बहुत कुछ पता था, लेकिन मतलब मेरे लिए सब कुछ ही नया था। वो जिस तरह से जीती है, मैंने भी ये सब पहले कभी नहीं किया था। वो जो कुछ चीजें करती है, तो मैं कुछ भी बताया जाए मुझे तो मैं पहले रुचि मैम को जाकर पूछती थी, इसके बाद कैसे करते हैं, इसके बाद क्या होता है, वो कैसे बोलेगी, क्या करेगी। एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट था। एक तो लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि मैंने हिंदी में इससे पहले कभी काम नहीं किया, मेरी लैंग्वेज हिंदी नहीं है, तो वो भी एक बात थी।
I want to ask you, you actually come from, like, you started with TV, right? And
Yeah.
now you're doing a lot of web series also. Is there something that you would like should change about the TV in the Hindi space that we see?
I am who I am because of television, and sometimes I also feel it's sad that I understand that in this progressive world, content on television has become regressive, and it's probably not changing. But when I see it from a very different perspective, because I have few friends who are producers and who work with channels and everything, and when I understand their perspective. For them, it's a business and something that works on TV or is giving them numbers. They don't want to probably change the entire game, including I've been a part of films, I've been a part of web, but जरूरी नहीं है कि web और film पे भी जो हर चीज बन रही है, it's very good. So I feel it's what choices you make eventually. Web's given me a very, very big platform to openly work at the same time in different channels or different platforms, I must say, which is not possible in TV. You can't, if I'm working with a star, I can't work with someone else. I don't want to work 30 days a month, and unfortunately, that's always been the issue. I've had some really, really good shows that have come my way on TV, which I really liked, and I wanted to do that. But my only criteria and the only deal breaker for the producers also was that I was not willing to give more than 20 days a month.
Do you think that with OTT platforms, actors like you who want to do quality work, like OTT platforms have sort of given like a second lease of life to actors?
Yeah, for sure. I think it's not just a second leap, it's just brought second life. I think it's brought so much freedom. The kind of things that are being written also are just of a far superior quality. You have the option of choosing, not being slotted into any kind of labels or boxes.
Right.
Of really exercising your acting muscles and exploring various different genres, various different roles. So I'm extremely, extremely grateful and blessed to be an actor at this point of time with the advent of the digital space.
रिंकू, आपके साथ मतलब हमेशा जब भी आपका नाम लिया जाता है तो सब यही बोलते हैं सायराट वाली लड़की। तो आप what are you looking at? What do you want? Do you want to change it? Because it's been a while that you did Sairat.
मैं उसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं बदलना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि आर्ची की वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। पर मुझे अच्छा लगेगा कि उसके अलावा मैं और किरदार लोगों के सामने लेकर आऊँ। आर्ची से पहचानते हैं, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है अभी नेत्रा पाटिल से पहचाने, और मैं जो भी करूंगी वो भी उन्हें अच्छे लगे।
What one character you think has been the most challenging for you as an actor?
Honestly say for me, Soumya has been pretty challenging to play for multiple reasons, like we've discussed already on the show. One is, holding the character for a much longer period of time. It's an extremely complex, quite layered character. And I think the writing has kind of brought that out as well. So a lot of times, especially during the movies, the characters are very one-dimensional, most female characters on screen. So for me, I would definitely say that Soumya is one of the characters that has been most challenging, and also one of the characters that I've enjoyed playing.
One character that I found challenging was one of my shows that came a year and a half back called Barcode on Hungama. I think that was probably my most challenging one, because I think I shot for a very long time for it. I shot across a year, and I was playing a chain smoker and a bipolar kind of guy who just gets angry at this, at a split of a second. I think it just made me a little like that in real life.
रिंकू आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग कैरेक्टर?
पता नहीं,
पता नहीं.
कोई पता नहीं.
Lots of luck for 100, and I would like to say stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much for doing this for us, guys. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Diksha.
Take
Thank you.
care.